Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your ALCATEL 1P 2022. So if you see something like that, you have a lot of spamming pop-ups when trying to visit inside or just on your home screen, or you have a lot of spamming notifications in your top bar, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to run it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So let's start from the first method. Let's open the settings and go to the apps. Now choose view all apps, and now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it and select install button. Then click on OK, and after checking all the apps, go back to the app list and now look for your web browser. Then select the storage and cache and choose manage space. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm gonna show you how you can do it in the Avast app. So let's launch it. Tap on the Get Started button and skip. Now tap on the Continue as with free. Tap on the Continue with ads again and choose green circle. Tap on the OK. And now you have to add a permission to the files. Then go back. The scanning process should start automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted software that you have on your storage. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.